Hello and welcome to Matan Mattel Toy Show. Matan, what do we have today?
So first, we have
First one is
the
Dodge D100.
as number 1 on it.
Oh, cool! It makes it like a kind of like a racy one.
Yeah,
Dodge
yeah.
D100. If you don't know, was a famous car in the 80s, 70s, and 80s. It was a classic pickup truck. Really, one of the best there was. Super strong.
This shiny Batmobile.
And the second one we have is a shiny Batmobile with a silver.
Yeah. I was thinking because of the top, it kind of looks. Because of the top, it kind of just looks like silver.
All right. So which one you want to open first? The Dodge. All right. Yeah, we're gonna open them both, and then we're gonna race them down this little mini Hot Wheels that we got.
Like, you remember my grandma got me?
Yeah, your grandma got you that one. That's true. All right, let's open it. Ready? You go, Matan. You good? You got it. All right. That's the Dodge.
Which one do you think is faster?
Okay, roll it to me. Let's see how it looks like.
I like it.
Of course you do.
I like the wheel.
It's really a nice one. I'm telling you, this one is a classic.
This is a pretty nice one, too.
Okay, what's the next one you're opening? Okay, let's open it.
Batmobile shiny.
A shiny Batmobile.
I'm going to say silver edition. It's
Silver edition.
I just said edition.
All right, ready?
I was thinking of that.
Let's see if you can open it. So you have your own system.
This one is kind of hard too.
It's harder?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you got it. Oh, yeah, you did it. Okay.
After both clean, but I did a better job.
Yeah, you did a better job. Okay, let's see.
Oh, wait.
So this is the Batmobile. Roll it over. Let's see. Oh,
Oh my gosh,
super shiny.
yeah.
Okay, now the question is, if we do a little race, who will roll faster? Let me see. So this one is a little bit heavier, I gotta admit. Yeah.
This one is
The Batmobile is a bit heavier, so would it give it an edge or what? I don't know. Okay, put them on. Let's see.
This comes with the elevator, but I don't know what it is.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
After they're done racing, I'm ready. After they're done racing, they're gonna go to the pit stop.
All right. Ready? Set. Go. Whoa. I think there was a slight edge to the Dodge. What do you think?
They think they need another race. They think they have enough fuel
Yeah, the
for
flag said the Dodge won, so Dodge won. Okay, you want to show me how you're gonna put them in fuel? The gas station?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a gas station area.
If they race again, if the more they race, the more. If they race only one time, that means they have no more fuel. If they race 2 times, that means they like crash.
Yeah. Okay, let's put the gas station. What are you fixing there?
And if you do it 3 times, that means you run out of tires.
All right.
And the fuel's okay though.
All right. Ready? So who puts gas where?
Oh, on the side. Oh,
there you go. There you go. Ding, 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 ding. Put gas. Toot, toot, toot. Check it. Everything is okay. What is this? Washing it a little bit?
Yeah, I'm changing the tires.
Oh, changing everything?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Are you ready to go?
Needs to go in the lift. Batmobile. This one wastes a lot of gas.
A lot of gas.
Yeah, very a lot of gas. But he does but he's just practicing, so that's why he ran out of food in one race. Just practicing like for like a 10 minutes. What? Which blue one?
All right, put it in. Let's see.
This one?
Yeah. Dun, dun, dun.
I already got one.
Got everything? All right.
Are they
You ready to
for
go?
another race?
Oh, yeah.
I'm switching sides. So,
Whoa!
Dodge Charger again?
The Dodge Charger won again?
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
Should I try again?
Sure. Last time, though. All right.
And then they erased one more time, but without the video.
Sure. Ready? Last time. Dun, dun, dun. Putting them again. Ready for a last race. Who's gonna win? On your mark.
If the Batmobile loses again, then I push it.
That's it. Oh my God! The Dodge wins again. All right, that was it today, Matan. Say goodbye. Are you gonna let the Dodge win now? Okay. Okay, say goodbye to everybody.
Wait, he just crashed.
He crashed, I know. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.